In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a Visa gift card on Steam. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase the proper method of using any Visa gift card that you have to purchase games, expansions, or to add money into your wallet. Before I start talking about this process that can be done on the Steam website at store.steampowered.com, I want to bring attention to the fact that while it is possible to use a Visa gift card on Steam to make any purchases or to add currency to your wallet, this is going to depend on two main factors. The first one is your region. In some regions, you will not be able to use a Visa gift card on Steam, and this is going to apply for any Visa gift card. So let's try the method that I'm going to show you, and you will be able to determine on whether or not your region is going to be able to add money or buy games. The next thing that I want to highlight is that some specific Visa gift cards won't be accepted. So as long as your Visa gift card is activated and it was issued by a bank or by a service that is accepted within Steam, when you go over to the payment window, you will be able to determine that as well. All that you have to do is go over to your card, make sure that you have everything ready to go, or go over to the wallet page and add currency to your account, and then proceed to checkout. On the list of payment methods, make sure that you select Visa, and in here there is no sort of special setup that you must do. As long as you include the card number, expiration date, and security code as if you are using a standard Visa debit card, you will be able to determine whether or not your specific gift card can be used within Steam. Like I said in the beginning of the video, the two main factors are going to be your region and, secondly, the bank or service that issued your gift card. If it gives you a message telling you that the card number or the credentials are invalid, or that the card doesn't function inside of Steam, then unfortunately there's no workaround to this. The specific Visa gift card that you have will not be accepted, or it could be due to limitations within your own region. There is no sort of special workaround, and this is the only option that you have to try. So just go ahead, try to finish a purchase by selecting Visa Standard from the payment methods, and you will be able to determine. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a Visa gift card on Steam. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.